Hello students, welcome to lab number 37 of Python for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IK Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. The title of the program is Design a Python class to reverse a string word by word. First of all, we have to design a class. Let the name of the class is reverse. Let's design one method, self, comma, suppose I'm using one sentence, because we have to enter one sentence from user side. Let the variable is sentence. Words is equal to sentence dot split. We have to split into words, then reverse. To reverse the content, we have to join the contents after reversing. Reversed, then words, then return R. This one is the requirement. After designing the method, we have to create the object of the reverse class. Let n is the string entered from user side. Input, enter any string. After the entry of the string, entered string is, you can print n here, then print reverse of the string, by words, word to word, word by word. You can write here word by word. For that, you have to pass the string inside the class. Obj dot method, and inside you have to pass the entered string by the user. Now execute the program. Hi, welcome to Python class. The entered string is hi, welcome to Python class, and the reverse of the string is class Python to welcome hi. Again execute the program. Look at the output. The entered string is this one, and the reverse of the string is this one. Hope you understand the content of programming. First of all, you have to separate into words, then reverse of that particular word, then return that particular value, then enter from object creation, then object creation is there, and enter the data from user side, then display that particular string, and then pass that particular string inside this class. In the next lecture, I will discuss about file handling. These three programs, program number 38 to 40 are of file handling. First program is reading of the file, then line to line reading of the file, then appending of the file. Thanks for watching my video.